Hello, environmental ethics class. My name is Danielle Lee, and this is my presentation on renewable energy and ethics. The outline is going to be major laws and policies, federal agencies, and worldview arguments. So some of the major laws and policies is the Energy Policy Act of 2005. This addresses energy production in the United States, including energy efficiency, renewable energy, oil and gas, coal, tribal energy, nuclear matter and security, vehicles and motor fuels, hydrogen, electricity, energy tax incentives, hydropower and geothermal energy, and climate change technology. So the U.S. doesn't regulate renewable energy necessarily as a whole, but it is based on the state and the policies that states decide to implement. So some of them being the Renewable Portfolio Standards, which require electric utilities and other retail electric providers to provide specific percentage or amount of customer electricity with eligible renewable resources. We have the Public Benefits Funds for Renewable Energy, and these are a pool of resources used by the states to invest in clean energy supply projects. There's the Output-Based Environmental Regulations, which establish emissions limits per unit of productive energy output of a process, with the goal of encouraging fuel conversion efficiency and renewable energy as an air pollution control measure. And then we have interconnection standards, which are processes and technical requirements that delineate how electric utilities in a state will treat renewable energy sources that need to connect to the electric grid. Then finally, we do have financial incentives, such as grants, loans, rebates, and tax credits that are provided in some states to encourage renewable energy development. So some of the agencies who help regulate laws and policies is the U.S. Department of Energy, Council of Environmental Quality, Senate Committee on Energy and Natural Resources, U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, and the U.S. Energy Information Administration. So renewable energy would actually fall under the anthropocentric viewpoint because we are creating new ways to create energy for human use. And many people might think that renewable energy would fall under the worldviews of either deep ecology or even land ethics, because we are trying to create new ways to produce energy with the thought of protecting the environment and stopping climate change. But we are actually still altering the environment for human use. So that is why that renewable energy is actually still under the westernized worldview point. And then here is the reference slide. And does anyone have any questions?